In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email address to iMessage on your iPhone. Whether you're trying to streamline your communications or just want the flexibility to use multiple emails, this process is quick and straightforward, and we'll walk through each step together. First, you'll want to open the Settings app on your iPhone. You can usually find this on your home screen. It's the app that looks like a grey gear icon. Once you're in Settings, you'll need to scroll down a bit until you see Messages. Tapping on this will take you directly into your iMessage settings. Next up, within the Messages settings section, you'll see an option labeled Send and Receive. Go ahead and tap there. This is where you can manage all the email addresses and phone numbers that are linked to iMessage on your device. Now, under the section called You Can Be Reached by iMessage at, you'll need to tap on Add Another Email. By doing this, you're essentially telling Apple that you want to associate another email address with your iMessage account. Once you've tapped Add Another Email, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter the new email address that you'd like to add. Type it in carefully, making sure it's spelled correctly, and then hit Next. At this point, if you're using Apple's mail system, you might receive a verification code sent to the email you just added. This is Apple's way of ensuring that you own or have access to the email address you're trying to add. Following that, you'll need to verify your email. You should receive a verification email at the address you just entered. Make sure to look in both your inbox and your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away, and follow the instructions contained in that email carefully. This usually just involves clicking a link to confirm that you want to link this email address to your iMessage account. Once you've successfully completed this verification process, your new email will be added to iMessage. Now, you can also decide how you'd like to use this email within iMessage. You can choose to start new conversations from this email or simply use it to receive iMessages. This setting can be especially useful if you want to separate professional contacts from personal ones, or if you're managing multiple aspects of your life through different email addresses. And there you have it. By following this simple process, you've successfully added an email address to your iMessage app, giving you greater flexibility and control over your communications. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tech tips.